easy, and pretty dress. And this is for a size 0 to 3 months. But if you want it bigger, to just change your your hook. And I'm thinking this is like a 5mm hook. It doesn't have any sign in there, so that's what I'm thinking it is. I'm going to use a different type of yarn. Karen Simply Soft. I'm gonna try this one, and it's called Harvest Red. And then you're gonna need, again, the yarn, the needle, the size needle you prefer. The bigger the needle, the bigger the dress. Scissors, and of course you're gonna need your needle. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start by making a slip knot and changing 50. And I am sorry about my nails, I just didn't have time to do them today. So chain 50 and I'll meet you back. Okay, so we got our chain 50, and then we are going to make a half double crochet in the 4th chain from hook. So 4, and we're going to make 1 half double crochet, and we're just going to keep making half double crochets across for the length of the chain. And I'll meet you right back. Okay, so we are done with our first row, and then for the second one we are going to chain 2, and we're going to turn our work, and this is going to count as the first half double crochet, and you're going to do another half double crochet in the next stitch, and then an increase on the next. So you're going to do 1 half double crochet, another half double crochet, and an increase, and that's going to be a repeat for this row. Okay, so we are done with this round. You could go ahead and slip stitch it to the other side, or you could just slip stitch it there, and then you're going to chain 2, turn your work, and then you're going to do 3 double crochets. 3 half double crochets, I'm sorry. So that would be, that would be 1, 2, and 3, and then an increase. Okay, so you're going to do 1, 2, 3, and an increase. And you do that, that's a repeat for this row. Okay, now we are going to slip stitch to the top of that chain, and that is the end of this row. Now for the next row, we are going to chain 2, and we are going to do 1 half double crochet in the next 3 stitches. In the next 3 stitches, and counting the first one, that will be 4. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we do an increase. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and increase. And if you notice, I did not turn at the start of this round, and that's going to be the repeat all the way around. 1 half double crochet in the next 4 stitches, and then an increase on the next, and then reach it back. Okay, so we are at the end of this round, and we are just going to slip stitch again to the top of this chain. If I can ever do it. Oh Lord. And that's the end of this round. Now we are going to make the armholes. Remember, this is for 0 to 3 months. Okay, so for this one, we are going to chain 2, and we're going to turn our work. Okay, and then we are going to make 15 half double crochet, counting this one. So this will be 2, 3, 4, and you just go and make 15, and then reach it back. Okay, now we got our 15 half double crochet, and we're going to chain 2, and we're going to skip the next 19 stitches. So that'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. And the next one, we are going to make our half double crochet in there. And that is our first armhole. Okay? And then we're going to half double crochet in the next 28 stitches down in this one. Okay, now we got our 28 half double crochet in there, and then we're going to chain 2, and we want to skip the next 19 stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19. And the next one, we are going to do a half double crochet. We're just going to half double crochet in the next remaining stitches, and there should be 19. And you will slip stitch to the other corner. Okay, so I slip stitch it to the other corner, and that is the top part of our little dress. Don't mind this. And now we are going to chain 2, and we're just going to do a half double crochet in each stitch around. And I'm going to show you when you get to the armholes, you are going to make 4 half double crochet in there, and then reach it back. Okay, so we are at the armholes, and we are just going to do 2 half double crochets in each of the stitches, and you're going to go around, and you will do the same thing on the other arm. And yes, I am noticing what I'm doing. I am not going through both loops. I'm going only through one, and that is because I want that little design on the dress. I'm doing that on purpose. But anyways, just go around 1 half double crochet in each stitch, until you get to the armholes, and I'll meet you back. Okay, so we are at the armholes again, and we're going to make 2 double crochet on each stitch. Okay. And just keep on going around and join it with a slip stitch to the other side. Okay, so we are done, and we made an increase on both. So what we're going to do now, we are going to start with the skirt part. And if you notice the other one there, I don't even know what this stitch is called, popcorn. And yes, this is like regular yarn. That's kind of stiff. That's why I decided to do it with this one. So I'm just going to crochet chain 1, and I'm going to go on that same stitch, and I'm going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through all loops, and chain 1. And then we're going to skip 1, and then the same here. Yarn over, pull through. You could do it 3 times. And skip 1, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through all loops, and chain 1. Again, let me show you that. Skip 1, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all, and chain 1. And you're going to do that around 3 more rows. So that will be, counting this one, 2 more rows. And I meet you back. So for the next row, we already have our 3 in here. For the next row, we're going to chain 1, and we're going to do the same thing, but the difference is that we're going to make 4 of those little puff stitch. Is that what you call it, I guess? We're going to make 4, and then we're going to make an increase. Whoops. And then we're going to make an increase in here. See? I ain't got no more. This round, you're just going to have 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the increase will be just 2 stitches on the same one, popcorn stitches on the same one. See? Again, you just make 4, and then 2 stitches on the same one, and that will be your increase. And for the next round, you are going to chain 1 and just keep on doing your popcorn stitches. Now, you need 16 rounds in total, so they give you the length of the dress. So do that for 16 rounds, because after this, there's no more increases after this. So do 16 in total, and I'll see you back. Okay, so now we are done with the 16 chain, and for our ruffle on the bottom, let me see right here. It's very easy, very fast. You're just gonna chain 3. Let me see. You're just gonna chain 3 and go on the same stitch. Let me put this right. Okay. And go on the same stitch and make a slip knot, and that will be your first one. And again, you make another chain 3 and go in the next stitch. And that's pretty much what you're gonna do all around the edge of the dress. Chain 3 and slip stitch right here. Okay, so I went ahead and I finished the edging and I added some ribbon in there and made a few little bows. So, oops, my thing is moving. And that is the finished dress. I hope you like it. If you do, please make sure to check out my other videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share my videos for more. Thank you for watching and you have a good one. Bye now.